Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and we are at the Hampton Inn and Suites here in Logan, Utah. I'm actually coming in the street side entrance just to show you how big and spacious this lobby is. It's in such a neat location. This is a college town, and I love how open this main floor is. As you can see, there's rooms on this floor, front desk over there, and then just lots and lots of space. We're going to take a look right now at a 2-queen suite. This is on the 3rd floor, room 350. And this is a great room for quite a few reasons, and I'm going to show you why. As you can see, you've got a little kind of half kitchenette here. You've got a mini fridge and a microwave and a sink. So you could definitely do your own small meals and things here. They've got a little coffee area. And then this room adjoins to a room that I'm going to show you in a minute. But very well laid out, super spacious. As you can see, again, 2 queen beds. There is a sofa sleeper right here as well. So you could fit at least 6 people in this room, or 6 people is what it's designed for. And then you've got a desk area, and kind of divides the room up really nicely. So just, again, super spacious. And I'm going to show you out here. The setting and the location of this hotel is perfect. It's literally 5 minutes from the college. We came up for an event at the stadium, so it was very close. Nice view here from the 3rd floor again. And then I'm going to show you what this bathroom looks like. They've got sliding doors dividing the bathroom from the main area. And it's just a really spacious bathroom as well. Definitely doesn't feel cramped or crowded. You've got your Hilton amenities and product. And then lots of storage space, extra bedding, all of those things. And then, of course, you've got your toilet area with shower and bathtub, which is really nice. So, and it's a really nice shower as well. So there is a look at that. So there you go. As I mentioned, just super spacious, just a nice big area, great for a family getaway. Another thing we loved about this room is it is right over the swimming pool, and the stairwell is right outside this door. So you can just walk down 2 flights of stairs to get to the swimming pool and then come right back up to your room. So that's a really added bonus as well. And then again, I mentioned it adjoins to this room here, which is a smaller room, might be great for kids and whatnot. And this is a 2-queen room, 2-queen bedroom, and as you can see, smaller, but that door between these rooms does open, and so you can come back and forth. So that was a really big bonus. I wanted to share this with you as well, and also give you an idea of what these 2-queen bedrooms look like in case that's something that you were looking at, because they are really well done. Again, still very spacious. You've got your desk area, television, everything like that. And again, right here, just in the heart of Logan, Utah, downtown is within, like, everything is within walking distance or driving distance, very close here as far as meals. There's a Walmart, of course, the college and everything else. So there is a peek at that. Wanted to make sure that you got a good idea of what the rooms look like here at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Logan, Utah. I will actually also include hotel information down below, but aside from all of this normal hotel stuff that I'm showing you here, there were a few other reasons that we really like this hotel, and I'm going to give you a peek at those as well, because I think there are certain things that just make hotels extra special when you stay there, and this is one that we felt like not only had all the Hilton qualities, but just a great family stay, because the staff is so friendly and they've got some awesome bonus features like this swimming pool area. It is amazing. It's huge. The seating, if you're not swimming, is super comfortable. The space is very big, lots of room for lots of people to swim. And as you can see, this is really cool. Out there is a hot tub, and then the hot tub actually continues here inside, and you can pass back and forth. There's a neat outdoor area out there as well, but that was a huge bonus for us. Loved the pool area. And then, of course, Hilton Breakfast. They did a fantastic job, and every morning breakfast is included. It just makes it so easy for the family. So there you go. Look at the Hampton Inn and Suites in Logan, Utah. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.